In March 2005, Tiens Group held a reward ceremony on Ancol Beach, Indonesia. 40,000 Tiens family members from all over the world attended the event. The crowd cheered as over 100 national flags of participating countries waved. Chairman Li Jinyuan arrived by helicopter. He attended the ceremony.
Today, I bring the feelings and spirit of Tien's people around the world to Indonesia, and today, the most crucial thing. I deeply thank all the Tien's family members present today. With you, Tien's develops here. I sincerely thank you all. I am very grateful to all the friends present today, because you braved the heavy rain, and with firm confidence, you stood firm and insisted on holding this event.
A sign of prosperity and good fortune for the event. Chairman Li Jinyuan stood firm in the torrential rain without an umbrella. He stood close to all the family members, enduring the storm together. Awards such as the Heroic Car Award were presented to the winners of the event. Luxury Yacht Award, Private Jet Award, and Luxury Villa Award. Without experiencing the storm, how can we see the rainbow? Tien's determination in the face of difficulties has inspired family members around the world. In 2006, not only in Indonesia, over 100,000 people attended the 11th anniversary conference. But in the development that followed, we moved forward without looking back. Hand in hand with all partners, we ventured into the world, creating a global alliance.